A lot more people commented than I thought they would, which is good. So we've got a few weeks of video content anyway. But here's the first one. It comes from Joel, who's in Wallsend in New South Wales. So this is what is endemic. I think it's endemic. I think it's endemic, which means the plants are from that area. They're not from anywhere else. They're kind of just, that's their vibe. So this is the first one, the New South Wales Warrantar, or something involving pubes. I can't remember the full scientific name, but I'll put it up the top there in a second. It should be there now. Yep, there it is. One's up the top here now, and it does this giant red, insanely cool flower, if I got the right one, which chances are I didn't. So maybe you'll get that, maybe you'll get something else, but it's local, so if you buy it, it's good. It grows to 3 meters, mind you, so that's probably about that size. Yeah, that'd be about 3 meters, I reckon. That thing's meant to get to 10 meters, so yeah, don't get one of those. Before I go on to the other one, it attracts birds, bees, butterflies, anything that likes a red flower, so you'll probably have a couple of grannies out the front yard as well, so you might have to shoo them away, but it will attract them. It's quite like my one out the front, which is a coastal wattle, but it's a New South Wales version, which will attract pretty much the same thing. So you've got birds, bees, all the fucking things that like flowers, but that one only grows to about 2 to 5 meters. But with wattle, because they're a native, I just trim mine all the time, and it just stays whatever height you want it. But just know you'll need to trim it if you don't want it at 5 meters. But yeah, you just get yourself a hedger and you'll be sweet. You 4, because I have one that is just stupid and you won't plant it in your yard, but I find funny, and I reckon you should plant it in your yard just to scare your neighbours. But I'll do that now, actually. A grey ironback eucalyptus, which is up here now. It grows to 35 meters, so if you're wanting a climbing tree that you can spot fires and shit, it's the one for you. But basically it also does attract native wildlife, so it does the same thing, birds, bees, all those things, when it does its nice flowers. But they're 35 meters up tall, so you're not going to fucking see them anyway. So probably don't plant this one in your little yard unless you live on a farm, in which case do fucking get it in there, because it's it will look sick. The last one is only a little tiny one. He only grows to about 0.5 to 1.5 meters tall, so only a little shrub, and due to its tubular flowers, it attracts native bees and butterflies. So yeah, I'll chuck a picture up the top there as well. I keep looking up like I'm a magician, but really I'm just editing this later. But yeah, that's 4 for you. You can get some more, but I'm not going to find them for you, but that will get you started anyway. Yeah. If you want to know your locals, just comment in this comment and I'll write them down as well, and we'll slowly get there. We're not going to get them all done in a week, sort of thing, but we'll just keep this as a constant thing. So